I'm thinking, thinking about you muffin. When I wake up, I'm thinking, thinking about you muffin. You know our love was 10 times sweeter than candy, 10 times sweeter than cake. Thinking, thinking about you. Ding dong, trick or treat. I was knocking at your door every week, and I saw you in my fortune cookie. What a great gift, like a basket of goodies. But you were cold as an ice sea, and I got a little bit of a brain freeze. I can speak your language, if you just let me in. Suddenly you're treating us, 'cause I got candy crush on you, but you broke me like a Kit Kat. No more hug, no foul, running in the trash, no scolding after rolling. The Instagram feed, no more trolling, but you're all I wanna see is today approaching. Man, I'm sick and thirsty, like a cup of coffee, are we? I'm gonna keep the doctor away, 'cause you're my apple every day. Every day I'm thinking, thinking about you muffin. When I wake up, I'm thinking, thinking about you muffin. You know our love was 10 times sweeter than candy, 10 times sweeter than cake. Thinking, thinking about you. Alright. She's an angel, like a fruitcake. Got a halo and I'm looking like a double take.